Hello everyone, I'm Yuki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you my apartment tour. I live in Tokyo, Japan. Hope you enjoy it.
This is a front door. I need to take off my shoes at this entrance. This is my shoe closet. This is a wash and dryer. Next, let's go to my bathroom. This is a shower and bathtub room. Japanese typical bathroom is like that. This is one of my favorite art frame. Let's go to the main room. Overview is like this. I took the picture at Santa Monica Beach. This is a working area. Let's go to the kitchen area. I love this kitchen. Microwave, blender and espresso. This is living room area. I took this picture in Los Angeles. The last is my bedroom area. Stretch ball is useful workout tool. The view is so nice,
So I decided this apartment.